Welcome back to my final morning report chart analysis video on Thursday, 5th of July with me, Richard Market Analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at gold, and you've had this pick up in gold in the last couple of sessions. It's sort of broken this corrective phase that we've been in since the middle of June, but it doesn't really do a great deal to sort of sustainably improve the outlook. There is an improvement underway though on the stochastics and the RSI above 30, stochastics sort of pulling above 20 just, but the market needs to get through 1260 I think, to really suggest that there is an improvement, because that was pretty much the old low, 1261. 1261 was the high yesterday, and if I zoom back here, the reason I've got 1260 is that was that low there. So there is a sort of pivot around 1260 that you need to get through on a closing basis, I think, to really suggest that there's momentum in an improvement, in a recovery, and that would imply sort of then you could start thinking about an improvement back towards 1282 area, because you'd certainly see these momentum indicators then turning a corner on a sort of improving basis. But again, you can see the hourly chart whereby 1261 is this sort of level that the market is sort of finding as a pivot. So it's drifted away from there. Improvement in momentum indicators on the hourly chart is just being tested now as the MACD lines come back towards neutral. So the market needs to hold up above this support that we have in place around 1251 today. So a break back below 1250 wouldn't look great, certainly now, because that would also take you below all the moving averages on the hourly, which have now sort of started to turn up. So I mean, for example, this 89-hour moving average, which has been a basis of resistance, becoming a basis of support, that is sort of now turns, if that now gets broken to the downside again, that doesn't sort of play into too much positivity. RSI on the hourly 42 currently. You wouldn't want that to go below 30, for example. So this slip back needs to now be supported today for this technical rally to be considered to be intact still, and obviously that is questionable as the market has sort of drifted away today. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow.